What up, broskies? Got a lot of pickup in today. Let's do the shoes first. Got Bodega, got Stussy. I got a haul. Let's go. Yep, this is a cold wall Air Max Plus Platinum Tint Light Bone Black. Yeah, got these on under retail. Got these for brand new, $100. Cold wall box, collaboration. I like the black pair, but this is the white pair. So, cold wall, check it out. Here it is. Got that etched in Nike swoosh. Cold wall branding, TN Air. This is like more like a cream. All this is leather, by the way. Leather material. Retail on these were high. Got the little icy bottoms. Other pair is right here. Nike Cold Wall. Yeah, these were at outlets. If you guys could snag a pair, they were at outlets. It's an air bubble. These are cool. It's a subtle summer shoe. Nice colorway. I'm saying it goes well with a lot of things. That's a cold wall right there. Let's take a look at another pair that we have. This one should be my Jjjjound 991s that I snagged up off Goat for almost retail. Yeah, Jjjjound 991 JJA. New Balance. New Balance. There you go. New Balance 991. That suede. Jjjjound right here, made in England, 1982. This other pair comes with black laces. Here it is. Jjjjound pair. New Balance 991 on the tongue. That Jjjjound pair. And in the UK. Yep. That. Look at Bodega. They have 30% off all tees. Picked up a tee. There's a extra large tee that I picked up. Classic, none too crazy. Picked this up. Let's take a look at Stussy. The last pickup. Next up, the Stussy tee. The medium is the Heel to Bay. Made in the USA. They always change the tags. Either USA, Guatemala, Honduras. But yeah, this is it. Right over here. That Heel to Bay. There's a pigment dyed. And then next up, we just got a regular Stussy. Honduras. This one is a different tee, made in Honduras. Medium sunset tee. I think the back. This has the Stussy sunset. Has the Laguna Beach. But yeah, pretty clean, simple, not too crazy. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, more videos. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.